WorkFusion creates AI agents that solve problems in financial crime fighting in particular. This is packed by a platform that allows it to be customized using a set of no-code features because there are different requirements in every customer we go to. And making those more flexible allows us to have AI agents that can adapt to your environment. When we started working on AI agents, we took it very seriously from how would we do it so that they would be more like people that you would hire. So not only did we give them a face and a name, but we said when they show up, they should be ready to work. They have pre-trained models, they have orchestrations that control their end-to-end behavior. They can pull data from anywhere just like a person could, but more efficiently. They can make decisions, they can follow your standards and practices, and they can explain everything that they do. Best of all, they write it up, they put it in the case notes of a system that they're working, and they know what they don't know and when it's time to get a person involved. So that's how the power of the platform and the AI agents that run on that platform help solve financial crime fighting challenges. So RPA tends to be about web scraping or screen scraping, moving data from one system to another. And if your problem is copy and paste, that's great, but the problems generally are much more sophisticated than that. Knowing how to pull information from documents, even when they're written using natural language and they're not structured at all. Being able to take information and cross-compare it, correlate it, you make decisions. Be sophisticated in the logic of making those decisions, knowing that a name that has been tampered with to evade sanctions actually is a true match for the name on the watch list, and being able to have all kinds of techniques for making that kind of determination with confidence and being able to justify and show the work. So that's what makes it different from RPA. It's not just about application level data movement. It's about intelligent behavior that replaces what a person would do for more routine tasks so people can focus on the harder and more important tasks. We've been working on AI agents for a few years now. We first called them digital workers, and we've updated our name to match the emerging consensus about this terminology. But there is no consensus about functionality, and a lot of things are being called AI agents when all they're doing is, acting as a chatbot or, some very routine data movement types of problems. So what makes ours unique is that they really do have judgment and ability to work independently, and more importantly than anything else, being able to work without error. So in our types of problems that we solve, we focus on regulatory problems, and errors are not permitted. And there's a lot that goes into making sure that we build digital workers that don't make mistakes.